What's good, y'all? It's Emma.
And EJ.
And we're trying
Elevated Snacks.
from Trader Joe's.
Let's go. Oh, yeah. Cheers.
That's good. So creamy. I need a little more scoopy.
Lord. Wow. No, wow, that's a dap. That's
so
a
good.
dap. That's a dap.
Root beer float candies.
Smells like root beer. Cheers.
It really smells good. Ooh.
What the fuck? These are delicious. Oh my god.
That's so good.
And there's
It's
little,
like so subtle, but so delish.
there's little rocks in it too. It like crunch.
Oh, it
That's
pops.
good.
It pops in your mouth.
That's good. These are elite.
Olipop root beer. How is it? Okay.
It's okay.
It's definitely, that ain't soda. Kind of tastes healthy to me, but
Yeah. That's not a root beer.
but I could drink
They
these two
tried
together.
though. They tried. Love you.